Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Suitcase Canada products that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're traveling internationally or just need something reliable for your next weekend getaway, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Canada Home Country Luggage Suitcase ID tag from Nakoki. This stylish and functional luggage tag is crafted from faux leather, making it soft, durable, and resistant to scratches. The printed double-sided design features the iconic red maple leaf, instantly adding a patriotic touch to your travel gear. Measuring 4.4 times 2.7 inches, it's compact enough to fit neatly on any luggage without being intrusive. The standout feature of this luggage tag is its privacy flap, which securely hides your personal information from prying eyes. The adjustable strap and stainless steel buckle make it easy to attach to a variety of bags, ensuring it stays put even during rough handling. While it's designed to help you identify your luggage easily, it also doubles as a decorative accessory that sets your bag apart from the crowd. This tag is perfect for frequent travelers, cruise enthusiasts, or anyone who loves showcasing their Canadian pride. However, the Nakoki luggage tag might not appeal to those looking for a more versatile product. It's a niche accessory and doesn't offer storage or other features. That said, it's an affordable and thoughtful gift for travelers who value functionality and style. The overall build quality is excellent for its category, making it a worthy addition to your travel arsenal. At number 4, we have the Canada Flag Luggage Tag Identifier from Zoxos. This luggage tag is made from high-quality microfiber PU leather, giving it a soft yet durable feel. The black oil edge design enhances its longevity while protecting the information card inside from moisture. Its compact dimensions, measuring 4.3 by 2.7 inches, make it easy to carry and store when not in use. The vibrant maple leaf design is not just visually appealing, but also functional, allowing you to quickly identify your luggage at busy airports or terminals. The adjustable leather strap ensures a snug fit on various types of baggage, while the privacy cover protects sensitive personal details. This tag is suitable for a wide range of applications, from travel bags to lunchboxes, making it a versatile accessory for travelers and commuters alike. While the Zoxos luggage tag offers great aesthetics and durability, it's ultimately a single-purpose product. If you're looking for something more functional, like storage or additional travel features, this might not meet your needs. However, for those who want a stylish and reliable luggage tag, this is an excellent choice and makes for a thoughtful gift for frequent flyers. At number 3, we have the Luggage Travel Backpack, a versatile and feature-packed carry-on solution. Designed with a 40-liter capacity, this backpack opens like a suitcase, offering a 180-degree zip closure for easy packing. With 4 compartments and 16 pockets, it's perfect for organizing essentials for a 3 to 7 day trip. The backpack includes 3 packing cubes, a wet area for damp clothing, and a dedicated laptop compartment that fits devices up to 17.3 inches. Making it ideal for business travelers or digital nomads. One of the standout features is its flight-approved design, which fits under airplane seats or in overhead compartments. The durable, waterproof material and anti-theft pocket enhance security and longevity, while the padded shoulder straps and ergonomic back panel ensure comfort during extended use. The stylish exterior and thoughtful storage solutions make this backpack a favorite among travelers looking for practicality without sacrificing aesthetics. However, its weight of 3.65 pounds might be a drawback for those seeking something ultralight. Additionally, while it's great for short trips, it may not be suitable for vacations requiring bulkier items. Overall, the Luggage Travel Backpack is a fantastic investment for those who want a carry-on that combines functionality, style, and comfort. Coming in at number 2 is the American Tourister Stratum 2.0 Expandable Hardside Luggage. This 24-inch spinner is perfect for short trips, offering a sleek, barrel-shaped design with a textured ABS shell that resists scratches and wear. The The ergonomic trolley grip and wear-tested ball wheels ensure smooth handling and stability, making it a reliable companion for busy travelers. Inside, the Stratum 2.0 features a spacious, expandable interior with elastic tie tapes, mesh door pockets, and a modesty pocket for organized packing. The large zipper pulls are easy to use, even for those with limited hand strength. Its glossy coral finish adds a pop of color, making it easy to spot on the luggage carousel. This suitcase strikes a balance between durability, style, and functionality. While it's an excellent choice for its category, it might feel bulky for travelers who prefer lightweight options. Additionally, its price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. However, for those seeking a mid-size suitcase that's both durable and stylish, the American Tourister Stratum 2.0 is hard to beat. And finally, taking the #1 spot is the U.S. Traveler Rio Fabric Expandable Carry-On Luggage. This budget-friendly option is priced at $40.55, making it accessible to a wide range of travelers. Crafted from high-quality polyester, the Rio exudes elegance while remaining lightweight at just 6.6 pounds. The internal retractable push-button handle system and two-wheel design make maneuvering through airports a breeze. The fully lined interior features tie-down straps and a large mesh zipper pocket, offering ample storage space and organization. Its expandable feature allows for additional packing capacity, perfect for last-minute items or souvenirs. The included piggy bag strap adds convenience by letting you attach a smaller bag to the rolling suitcase. The vibrant orange color stands out, ensuring your luggage is easy to identify. While the Rio might lack advanced features like spinner wheels or hardshell protection, it delivers exceptional value for its price. It's ideal for weekend travelers or those on a budget who need a reliable carry-on. Overall, the U.S. Traveler Rio is a top pick for anyone looking for functionality, style, and affordability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in narrowing down your choices for the best Suitcase Canada products. If you liked this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy travels, and I'll see you in the next video.